for Just Nailed It, and I'm here today with you for a little, I don't know if I can call this an unboxing since we can see it. There's some chrome powder, some gold, some rose gold, some silver maybe. Found these on Amazon. I had to get them because I don't have any of this color. So I figured I would swatch them out for us, for all of us, so we can see how well they do or don't do. Let me pause, get everything set up with paper towel, and I'll be right. Alright, now we're back, and I think we are ready to get on with it. I've got 6 white nails, 6 black nails. The black nails, every one of them wrinkled. Okay, there's 2 that didn't, but it's not good. And I put thin, see-through, thin black coats on there, 2 of them, and I don't know. I just don't know. These little pots took me, God, I bet you at least 5 minutes to open them all. This is so pretty. So pretty. Make sure you get, oh, it ain't gonna get the sidewalls. Get your nail full coverage. Get the chrome mirror effect. These are really pretty. Let me get a little brush here to brush each one off. There we go with number 1. I know, look at it, stick it all the way to it. These nails, I polished them like the day ahead of time, so that could be why. Don't put it on the product. Don't put it on the product. Maybe I shouldn't have polished them ahead of time. Maybe they need to be freshly polished, which is what I'm guessing. This one covered better. These are beautiful. This is gold, you can see. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. There we go. Maybe too much, but sorry. This pot here, and this one here, and this one here look fuller. This is a beautiful color. This would be the one here I would love to wear. Yes, I would. Number 4, which one's number 3? Beautiful. Gonna dive in now for number 4. Trying to get every part of the nail covered. Some parts don't want to stick. Like I said, that is me probably polishing the nails way ahead of time. This product is $9.99 on Amazon with a 5% off coupon. I hate to see how these are going to swatch on the black nails. I really do, because I should not have done them ahead of time. Should not have done them ahead of time. So rule of thumb, ladies. do them on freshly polished nails. This is so pretty though. I really like this a lot. I think this is a great kit. The Rose Gold collection. Can't remember off the top of my head who makes it. I will look it up before we hang up. Oh, I like this color. I like this color too. I really do. I really like this color. It's like a brown in a way. I don't know if you can tell it's a brown in a way. So here are our 6 nails over white. So let's try the black. Let's crack on with that one. It's pumpkin witch. I just love that phrase. I mean, here in America, I don't know what people think hearing me say that. Probably think I was out doing drugs, but I'm not and I don't. So we're gonna go back in with number 1 over the black nail now. My wrinkled nail. Just covering the wrinkled nail though. Covered it beautifully. Look at that. That's over black. Where's my nail? This is over white. Definitely like over the black better, but on Amazon they show over white. Number 2. This is gold. This would be good for New Year's Eve. You get a gold outfit. This is the black. This is over black and over white. I think these are really stunning. I really like these powders. And I can give them 2 thumbs up, and I'm gonna give them 2 thumbs up. I'm really liking these. I'm really digging them. This one here is just so full. This is a badly wrinkled nail. You can see right there. See how wrinkled that is? It's horrible. I should be ashamed using it. I don't want to waste it though. This is over black and over white. I think these are stunning. I do really like this. I do recommend. If you are into the chrome powders, I think you would really like this. If you've never had your nails done with pigments before like this, I think you would really dig this. I really do, honestly. I mean, I'm just, to be honest and all. I think I like that over black better though. This one. Number 5. Cinco. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I just got done having a giveaway not too long ago. I am going to be starting another. It's going to be a designer giveaway with nail stickers. That I purchased off of BRC Nails. chipspieces.com. So if you want, you can go ahead and go check out her website and see what she's got to offer. And she's got a lot too. Love shopping there. Here's our last and final nail. This is the brownish colored one. Oh, I like it. This one looks copper now, like a penny. Brush it off. I didn't brush any of these off. This is number 6. I don't know if you can see better. I got my overhead light on, a different light that I normally don't have on. I like this. I like this over. Look at them all. So let me see if I can show you these. These are 1 through 5. Get in frame. These are 1 through 5 over white and over black. And then number 6 over white and over black. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my wide variety of chrome powders here. I think these are just beautiful. I like these a lot. To be honest, I really don't recommend a lot of things on my channel, so I don't think. I mean, I give them 2 thumbs up, but I never come out and say, oh, I recommend these. Do I? I don't think I do. But I do recommend these. I think this is a great set. I've made quite a mess here, haven't I? 2 thumbs up. See if I can get these all in frame. I do recommend these. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my video, my pigments, the chrome powders. Remember, they're $9.99 with a coupon. I think it's 5% off on Amazon. So please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos and giveaways. That way you stay informed. Check me out on Instagram, just.nailedit. I thank you for your support. I love each and every one of you for being here, for supporting me, for watching, your encouragement, your advice, your suggestions, for everything. I'm so grateful. As I say, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. I mean, I wouldn't be getting the views or the subscribers or anything, so I'm so grateful. I think I've babbled on enough. I'm going to end this video. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.